Okay guys, this might very well be the best recipe that I have tried all year. Actually, it's the best recipe that I've tried in a long time. This was great. I scrambled up 1 pound of ground turkey and go ahead and just put that in a bowl and set it aside. And you're going to use an iron skillet for this, or at least something that you can put in the oven as well. Okay, if you're following along, I added 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the skillet, and I diced up 1 yellow onion. Once those onions are sauteed, go ahead and add a 1/2 cup of chicken broth to this. And I am using the reduced sodium. And now 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, and these are just white mushrooms. Let's give that a stir. And now we're going to add some green beans to this. I have got some extra fine green beans. This is actually 2 cups. It's a 16-ounce package, and you will need 2 cups of green beans. I love these frozen green beans, and I think that we get these at Aldi's. They are really great when you steam them, but they worked perfect for this recipe. Now let's put a lid on this, and we are going to cook this over low to medium heat, making sure to stir occasionally. And it looks like they're coming along nicely. And then once you get those pretty much cooked, you are going to go ahead and add some garlic. We are going to add some minced garlic. The original recipe called for 4 teaspoons, but I'm only going to do 2 here. I just felt like that was a lot of garlic. And this was perfect, by the way. But if you want to throw in 4 teaspoons of garlic, you do you. We're going to add just a pinch of thyme to this. Put the lid back on it. Let those green beans continue to cook, stirring occasionally. Now we're going to add some cream cheese to this. The original recipe called for, I believe, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, but I'm just going to add 2 ounces here. And just a tip for some of you, you can freeze that cream cheese. It works great in recipes. Now we're going to add a 1/2 cup of sour cream, and I'm just guessing here. I had just a little bit left in a container. And 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Give it a stir. Oh, this was so good. This was so good that I actually eat the leftovers today. We had a little bit left over. Oh, it's good the next day too. Now at this point, you're going to want to go ahead and cut that stovetop eye off. Add a little salt and pepper to taste. Add your ground turkey or ground beef. And that was 1 pound. Now we add mild cheddar to this, and you can add as much as you want or as little. I added about almost 2 cups here to the top and just spread that out. And then we're going to put this in the oven and bake this for about 30 minutes, uncovered. And while this was baking in the oven, we had a little commotion out in the backyard. Look.
Oh, look like
Oh, you're so cute. I just had to share that with y'all. My granddaughter loved them. They were adorable. Okay, 30 minutes later and voila. Guys, this was wonderful. And I was trying to do low carb because my husband says I needed to, and he had to make potatoes on the side. But that's okay. They were wonderful too. And by the way, you can do those right in your air fryer. I hope all of you have a wonderful evening.